In this video, we will see an example on phasors. Question: calculate the complex numbers and express your results in rectangular form. So here we have to simplify this and get the answer in rectangular form. So in this problem, we will see all the forms to convert rectangular form to polar form and how to convert polar form to rectangular form. Because we know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form and multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. So let's see solution. First of all, let's copy this problem and let's say let z is equal to this value. So now here in the denominator we can see it is in rectangular form. So we have to multiply it here, and we know that multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. Here we can see in the numerator it is in polar form, but in the denominator these two are in rectangular form. So let's convert the denominator into its equivalent polar form. So first we will convert this 6 minus j8. So let's see first what is polar form and what is rectangular form. So let's say if z is the complex number and it is equal to x plus jy, this is called as rectangular form. It is the rectangular form. And if z is equal to r at an angle phi, then this is called as polar form. Now we want to convert this rectangular form to polar form. So to convert rectangular form to polar form, here we can see it is 6 minus j8. So first we will see the formula. So the formula to convert from this x plus jy, this is in rectangular form. Now we need this in polar form, that is r at an angle phi. So here r is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and this phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. This is the formula. We can also convert this in calculator. So let's see how we can convert this 6 minus j8. So 6 minus j8 is equal to r at an angle phi. So this r will be under root of x square plus y square. So here we can see this 6 is x and this minus 8 is y. So the formula will be x square, that is 6 square, then plus in bracket y square. Y square means minus 8 square. So minus 8 square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. The value of y is minus 8 divided by 6. So this will be under root of 6 square plus in bracket minus 8 square. So it is 10. So 10 at an angle tan inverse of minus 8 by 6. So it is minus 53.13. Minus 53.13. Now similarly for this 4 plus j2. So 4 plus j2, this will be again r at an angle phi. Now here this 4 is x and this 2 is y. So this will be the value of r will be under root of x square plus y square. So it will be 4 square plus 2 square at an angle tan inverse of 2 by 4. Y by x means 2 by 4. So this will be under root of 4 square plus 2 square. So it is 4.47 at an angle tan inverse of 2 by 4. So it is 26.56 degree. Here also this is degree. Now we got the denominator in polar form. So let's substitute it here, or first we can simplify this directly. So let's copy the denominator from here. So this will be equal to, in place of 6 minus j8 we can substitute, in place of 6 minus j8 we can substitute 10 at an angle minus 53.13. 10 at an angle minus 53.13 degree. And in place of this 4 plus j2 we can substitute 4.47 at an angle 26.56 degree. So now we can simplify this easily. We have to multiply this 10 into 4.47. So this will be 44.7 at an angle. Now here we are doing multiplication of these two polar forms. So they will be, the angle will be added. So it will be minus 53.13 degree, then plus 26.56 degree. This will be in separate bracket. So the answer will be 44.7 at an angle, and this will be minus 53.13, then plus 26.56. So it is minus 26.57, minus 26.57 degree. So now we can substitute this calculated value here in place of this. So again let's copy this. And now change the denominator for this. So it will be, the numerator will be as it is, 32 at an angle minus 20 degree divided by this value. In place of this 6 minus j8 into 4 plus j2 we can substitute this value, 44.7 at an angle minus 26.57 degree, then plus 20 divided by, now here this is 10 minus 10 plus j 24. Now we can simplify this. So 32 divided by 44.7, 32 divided by 44.7, so it is 0.715 at an angle. Now this will be subtracted, numerator degree divided minus denominator degree. So it will be minus 20, then minus 26.57 degree. So this will be in bracket, then plus 20 divided by minus 10 plus j24. So this will be 0.715 at an angle. This will be minus 20, then minus, in bracket, minus 26.57. So it is 6.57, 6.57 degree. Then plus 20 divided by minus 10 plus J24. So this is the value of Z. Now here we can see the denominator is in rectangular form again, and we know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form, but here we are performing division, so multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. So let's convert this minus 10 plus J24 into its equivalent polar form. So it will be r at an angle phi, and the value of r will be under root of x square plus y square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. And here this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So here we can see this will be under root of x square, that is minus 10 square, plus y square, that is 24 square, at an angle tan inverse of y by x. The value of y is 24 and the value of x is minus 10. So here we can see the real part here is negative. When the real part in rectangular form is negative, that time we have to add 180 degree to it. So let's check the answer. First simplify this, then we will calculate the answer in calculator. So it will be minus 10 square then plus 24 square, so it is 26 at an angle tan inverse of 24 divided by minus 10. So it is minus 67.38 minus 67.38 plus 180 degree. So it will be 26 at an angle. Now this will be minus 67.38 plus 180 degree. So it is 112.62 degree. So this is the answer we got in polar form. We can verify our answer in calculator. So this will be minus 10 plus I into 24. So shift then 2. We have to convert it into its equivalent polar form, that means 3. So it is 26 at an angle 112.61. So 26 at an angle 112.61. Now let's put this value here. So let's copy this first. Now this will be 0.715 at an angle 6.57 degree, then plus 20 divided by, now in place of this minus 10 plus J24 we can substitute this value 26 at an angle 112.62 degree. Now here we can see here it is only 20, so the angle here will be 0 degree. Now we can easily simplify this, so it will be again, this part will remain as it is, then this will be 20 divided by 26. So 20 divided by 26, it is 0.769 at an angle, this will be 0 degree minus 112.62. That means it will be minus 112.62 degree. Now here we can see both are in polar form. This is Z, and here we have to perform the addition, and we know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form. So let's convert this polar form to rectangular form. So we know that the polar form is r at an angle phi and the rectangular form is x plus jy. So how we can get this? So it will be r in bracket cos phi plus j sin phi. This is the formula to convert from polar form to rectangular form. So let's take this first. Let's copy it from here. Now here this is the value of r and this is the value of phi. So it will be r in bracket cos phi plus j sin phi. So the value of r is 0.715, then cos, the value of phi is 6.57 plus j sin, again angle is 6.57 degree. So this will be, you can solve this in calculator directly. 0.715 in bracket cos 6.57 plus I into sin 6.57. So it is 0.710, then plus 0.0818 j. So this is the answer in rectangular form. Now similarly we will do this for this portion. Let's copy it from here. So it is equal to, again same formula, r cos phi plus j sin phi. The value of r is this value, again this is the value of r and this is the value of phi. So the value of r is 0.769, then cos phi value is minus 112.662 minus 112.62 plus j sin minus 112.62, bracket close. So this will be 0.769 in bracket cos minus 112.62, bracket close, plus I into sin in bracket minus 112.62. So it is minus 0.29 minus 0.29295 to get the more precise answer, then minus 0.709 j. Now we got the answer for both. Now again let's copy this z and paste it here. So now in place of this 0.715 at an angle 6.57, we can substitute this value. So let's copy it from here and plus, now in place of this 0.769 at an angle minus 112.62, we can substitute this value. So let's copy it from here and paste it here. So it will be in bracket, then it is equal to, now here we have to add the real part. So real part is 0.710. Let's put it 0.710 then plus, that means here we have to subtract it, minus 0.295. So it is 0.415. 0.415. Then we have to add the imaginary part now. So it will be 0.0818. Then minus 0.709. So it is minus 0.627. Minus 0.627 J. So this is the answer for Z in rectangular form. Again, we know that Z is equal to, here we know that Z is equal to this value. So let's copy it from here. So this is equal to this value. Let's copy it and paste it here. So this is the final answer for this problem. We can verify our answer in calculator directly. So let's calculate it in calculator. We have to put the calculator in complex mode. So it will be 32 at an angle minus 20 divided by, in bracket, 6 minus I into 8, bracket close, then 4 plus I into 2, then plus 20 divided by minus 10 plus I into 24. So it is equal to 0.414, 0.415, which is approximately same, then minus 0.627 here, and here it is 0.628, which is approximately same, and J. So hence our answer is correct. So this is how we can simplify the answer, and this is how we can simplify the complex number and get the answer in rectangular form. We have seen that how we can convert from rectangular form to polar form, and we have also seen that how we can convert from polar form to rectangular form. Polar form to rectangular form. And also note that when the real part is negative, that time we have to add 180 degree to it. So this is about how we can convert complex number, or how we can simplify complex number and get the answer in rectangular form. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.